हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल फ्लाई विथ हैप्पीनेस में। मैं हूं आपके साथ प्राची। I recently came across this amazing product, DOMZ Natural Premium Glycerine Soaps. These are purely handmade glycerine soaps from Kerala with natural ingredients, free from harsh chemicals. If you are trying to find a product to bring your natural glow with natural ingredients, this is for you. First up, we have the DOMZ Natural Charcoal Glycerine Soap. This beauty is perfect for detoxifying your skin. It helps draw out impurities and leaves your skin feeling fresh and clean. Next, let's talk about the DOMZ Natural Rose Glycerine Soap. If you are looking to add a touch of luxury to your routine, this one is for you. It hydrates your skin and its floral scent can lift your spirits. Now on to the DOMZ Natural Lavender Glycerine Soap. This one is a must-have for relaxation. The soothing lavender aroma can help calm your mind while the glycerine moisturizes your skin. Feeling a little zesty, the DOMZ Natural Lemon Glycerine Soap is your go-to. It's refreshing and invigorating, perfect for waking up your senses and giving your skin a bright boost. Last but not least, we have the DOMZ Natural Aloe Vera Glycerine Soap. Known for its healing properties, this soap is fantastic for soothing irritated skin and keeping it hydrated. So whether you want to detox, hydrate, relax, refresh or soothe, DOMZ Natural has got you covered with their fantastic range of glycerine soaps. Buy them today from their website domznatural.com.